Okay, finally we got the engine outside. Look at this. Look at all this. Look at this. Look at this. See? This water mixed with oil. Wow. Do you imagine what the water do? What the water can do in your engine? Make a lot of damage, right? You want to try to put it back to the roof again.